The structural mechanics engineer role, part of the SIMULIAworks portfolio of simulation solutions on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, provides a comprehensive structural analysis solution for evaluating how your product will behave in real life, optimizing your product to increase its performance, and guiding your engineering decisions throughout the design process, all without having to build expensive prototypes. Extend your simulation capabilities with SOLIDWORKS by using an integrated workflow that enables you to easily save, manage, and share your design and simulation data in a secure, cloud-based platform. By leveraging industry-leading Abacus FEA technology, you can solve the most complex physics problems reliably and efficiently, and the built-in assistant walks you through the study setup process to make it quick and easy. For nonlinear static and dynamic studies, high-speed events, drop tests, impacts, metal forming, random vibration, low-speed events like gasket compression, bolt preload, and more, the structural mechanics engineer role helps you understand how your product will perform in the real world. Leverage this connected, powerful, and collaborative solution on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to improve how you bring your products to market.